Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use Robinhood Level 2 market data. Level 2 data provides a deeper look into the market than standard quotes. It shows you the full order book, displaying multiple bid and ask prices from various market makers. This transparency helps you understand the true supply and demand dynamics for a stock. By seeing where orders are stacked, you can better anticipate potential price movements and make more informed trading decisions on the Robinhood platform. To access Level 2 data on Robinhood, you'll need a Robinhood Gold subscription. Once you have Gold, simply select any stock to view its detailed information. Scroll down and you'll find the Level 2 order book. Here, you'll see a list of bids, which are prices buyers are willing to pay, and asks, which are prices sellers are requesting. This real-time feed updates constantly, giving you a dynamic view of market activity. Interpreting Level 2 data involves understanding the order book structure. On the bid side, you'll see the highest prices buyers are offering, along with the number of shares they want. On the ask side, you'll see the lowest prices sellers are accepting and their share quantities. Look for large blocks of shares at specific price points. These can act as support or resistance levels. Observing these shifts helps you gauge market momentum and potential price direction. Beyond basic interpretation, Level 2 data can reveal advanced insights. For instance, you might spot spoofing, where large orders appear and then quickly disappear, potentially manipulating price. Combining Level 2 with technical indicators like volume or moving averages can provide a more robust trading strategy. Remember, Level 2 is a powerful tool, but it's just one piece of the puzzle. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look at the link in the description below. Happy trading!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.